Hello student, good morning. Today we will start the new topic, that is outline classification and general characters of Pisces. Means fishes, Pisces. First we have to take the general characters of Pisces. They are aquatic, herbivorous or carnivorous. They are aquatic, herbivorous or carnivorous. Cold-blooded, oviparous or ovoviviparous vertebrates. Oviparous means eggs laying. Ovoviviparous means eggs discharges and suddenly first young one comes out from that eggs immediately. That is called as ovoviviparous. And third is viviparous. Viviparous means direct birth to young one. That is called as viviparous. अंडे देणारा, अंड देऊन पुन्हा त्यातून पिल्ले सडनली बाहेर येणारे त्याला ओव्हिविपेरस आणि पिल्लांना जन्म देणारे, दॅट इज द विविपेरस. In this type fishes, body is spindle shaped, streamlined and differentiated into head, trunk and tail, propulsive organ in water, locomotion by paired pectoral and pelvic fins along with median dorsal and caudal fins. Fins are supported by fin rays, exoskeleton or dermal scales, denticles or bony plate covering body surface, endoskeleton cartilaginous or bony, jaws are hind, muscles are arranged into segments called myostomes with separate dorsal and ventral parts. Digestive system is well developed. Respiration by gills. Gill slits are in 5 to 7 pairs and naked or covered by operculum. Heart is two-chambered, auricle and ventricle. Sinus, venous and renal portal system present. Blood with nucleated erythrocytes. Mesonephric type kidneys. Brain with 5 parts. Cranial nerves in 10 pairs. Lateral line system is present. Ears mainly for equilibrium. Olfactory organs are nasal sacs in the pair. Sexes are separate. Gonads typically paired. Gonoducts opens into cloaca or independently. External or internal fertilization. Eggs large with much yolk development, direct with or without metamorphosis. Classification of Pisces. About 40,000 species of fishes are known to us. Various workers have provided different schemes of their classification. The simple division of superclass Pisces is divided into 4 classes: Placodermi, Chondrostheis, Ostichtheis, Dipnoi. Superclass of Pisces is divided into 4 classes. Superclass is Pisces and divided into 4 classes: Placodermi, Chondrostheis, Ostichtheis and Dipnoi. These are the 4 classes of the superclass Pisces. Class first, Placodermi. General characters. These were earliest of the known fossils vertebrates with jaws. They are extinct fishes of Devonian to Permian periods. Body was typically fish-like. Their body armor, like the osteacodons, jaws were not properly formed. Paired and unpaired fins were present. Cranium was partly ossified. Vertebral column and neural and hymal arches. Notochord persist throughout life. Class Placodermy is divided into 6 orders. Order first, Acanthodi, example Clymatis. Order second, Arthrodine, example Cocostaceus. Order third, Patelis Thida, example Micropatelis. Order 4, Antiarchi, example Pteristhioids. Order 5th, Rhinanida, example Gemudina. Order 6, Paleospondylia, example Paleospondylus. Class second, Chondrichthyes. General characters: laterally compressed and spindle shaped body. Fins are paired and unpaired. Endoskeleton is made up of cartilage and sometimes classified. Exoskeleton is made of placoid scale or denticles. Holostylic, amphistylic or hyostylic jaw suspension. Except some gill are covered by the operculum. Heterocircle tail present without lungs and air bladders. Males usually possesses claspers. They are oviparous, ovoviviparous or viviparous. Mesonephric types of kidneys. They are cartilaginous fishes. 2 types of fishes, cartilaginous and bony fishes. This is the cartilaginous. Cartilage is present in this fishes, that is why this is the cartilaginous fishes. Class Chondrichthyes is divided into 2 subclasses: Ciliaci, Elasmobranchi, Holocephali. Subclass Ciliaci or Elasmobranchi. General characters: skin with placoid scale. There are 5 to 7 pairs of gill which are uncovered. Jaws with numerous teeth arranged. Several rows jaws suspension in hyostylic or amistylic. Males claspers are in association with the pelvic fins. Number 1 order, Pleurotrimata. Surface feeders with large pectoral fins and with open gill slits laterally. Example Scoliodon. Order second, Hypotremata. Bottom feeders dorso-ventrally flattened with gill slits ventrally and with spiracle. Example Pristis torpedo. Subclass second, Holocephali. General characters: laterally compressed body, small mouth bounded with lips, skin without scales, holostylic jaws suspension, gills covered by operculum, male with extra claspers. Vertebrae are poorly developed. Subclass Holocephali is divided only in 1 order, Kismeriformes. Example Chimera. Class third, ostisthies or telostomy. General characters: body usually spindle shaped with medium and paired fins. Exoskeleton of gynoid, cycloid and ctenoid scales. Mucous glands present in the skin. Endoskeleton partly or wholly bony. Notochord often persisted in greatly reduced from the terminal or subterminal mouth. Nostrils are situated at the dorsal side of the snout. Gill slits are covered by the operculum. Autostylic type jaws suspension. Homocircle, gillicircle or diphicircle tail. Subclass 1, chondrichthyes or crossopterygi. Fishes with single or double air bladders. Paired fins are lobed. Skeleton of the pectoral fins with joints central axis bearing radials on two sides. Almost all are freshwater forms. Subclass Crossopterygi is divided into two orders. Order first, osteolipids, fishes with heterocercal tail, fusiform body, converted thick long scales. All are fossils from example Rhizodus. Order second, Coelacanthi, fishes with three-lobed diphicircle tail fin with external nares and cycloid scale in skin without vertebral center. Example Latimeria. Subclass second, Actinopterygi. General characters: ray-finned fishes with fan broad-based fins without fleshy lobe and supported by the radiating dermal rays. Double external nares are present. The subclass Actinopterygi is classified into 60 orders on the basis of the structure, pectoral, endoskeleton and of the fin of polypteriforms. Example Polysterus and others. Example Acincers, Amia, Labio, Exocetus, etc. Class 4th, Dipnoi. General characters of Dipnoi. The Dipnoi commonly known as the lungfish. Commonly called as lungfish. The air bladder serves functionally as lungs by which they breathe air when necessary arises. Dermal bones are present on skull, jaws and pectoral area. Single gill slits on either side converted by operculum. Body converted by the cycloid scales. Internal nares present. Paired fins are lobate. The class Dipnoi divided into one superorder, Ceratodi, with two orders. Order first, Ceratodiforms. Lungs fishes with single air bladders and with cartilaginous endocranium. Example Certodus, Neoceratodus. Order second, Lepidosireniforms. Lungs fishes with paired air bladder and with membranous endocranium. Example Protopterus and Lepidosiren. This is the outline, classification and general characters of Pisces. This topic also completed. Next period we will start the next new topic. Okay, thank you.